Dear students, let us consider this third order differential equation d cube y of t by dt cube plus 4 into d squared y of t by dt square plus 5 into dy by dt by dt plus 6 into y of t, that is equal to 6 into x of t. To represent this third order differential equation in state space representation, we have to choose minimum of 3 state variable. Okay, so we have to choose x1, x2, x3. So how we are going to choose this state variable? In general, output and its derivatives can be chosen as a state variable. Okay, so here x1 of t, that is nothing but y of t, x1 of t, y of t, x2 of t is nothing but dy of t by dt. Similarly, x3 of t can be chosen as d squared y of t by dt square. So we have chosen 3 state variable. Next we go to find out first order differential equation of state variable. Okay, so that is your x1 dot of t, that is nothing but dy by dt. dy by dt is nothing but your x2 of t. So similarly, x2 dot of t, so first order differential equation of your x2 of t, so already x2 of t is equal to dy by dt, their derivative is nothing but d squared y of t by dt square. So dt square, this is nothing but d squared y of t by dt square, that is nothing but x3 of t. So similarly, next we go to find out x3 dot of t, that is nothing but x3 of t is nothing but d squared y of t by dt square, their derivative is nothing but d3 y of t by dt cube. So how we are going to obtain from this d3 y of t by dt cube can be obtained from the given differential equation. This is the given differential equation. From that we can find this term. This is the thing what we want. So d3 y of t by dt cube, that can be written as 6 into x of t, and remaining thing can be taken that side, minus 6 into y of t minus 5 into dy of t by dt minus 4 into d square y of t by dt square. So from the given differential equation we have rewritten for obtain the expression for d3 y of t by dt cube. So we already chosen that this is equal to, because first order differential equation of state variable has to be written in terms of state variable and input variable. So we written minus 6 into y of t, we already chosen as the x1 of t, minus 5 dy by dt has been already chosen as a state variable as x2 of t, minus 4 d square y of t by dt square has been already chosen as a x3 of t. So 4 into x3 of t minus plus 6 into x of t. So this is your x3 dot of t. So we have x1 of t, that is equal to x2, x2 of t, that is equal to x3 of t, then x3 dot of t is nothing but minus 6 into x1 of t minus 5 into x2 of t minus 4 into x3 of t plus 6 into x of t. These 3 equation has to be written in a matrix form. You can consider x1 dot of t, x2 dot of t, then x3 dot of t. So we know well x1 dot is equal to x2, so 0 into 1, 0. You can have state vector x1, x2, x3, plus we have input, only one input, so u. So x1 dot depend only on x2, so 0, 1, 0, corresponding input coefficient is 0. So x2 dot of t, that is equal to x3 of t, so 0, 0, 1, and corresponding input coefficient is 0. So similarly x3 dot of c is equal to minus 6 into x1, so minus 6 into x1, minus 5 into x2, then minus 4 into x3 plus 6 into u of t, that is here this x is the input. Okay, we can consider this is 6, okay, where input is nothing but x of t as in the case of here. So similarly next this is your state equation. Okay, so next we go to develop for the output equation. So y, that is nothing but y, which is nothing but x1. It will be written in a matrix form. Y is equal to 1 0 0 into x1 x2 x3. This is your output equation. So these two equations constitute the state model of the system. Okay. Let us consider second example. Let us consider this differential equation, okay, where the differential equation is a fourth order differential equation, because highest order of derivative is 4, d power 4 y of t by dt 4. So we have to choose minimum number of state variable that is equal to order of the system. We are going to choose output and its derivatives are chosen as a state variable. So how we are going to choose your state variable? x1 of t, that is nothing but y of t, then x2 of t, that is nothing but d y of t by dt, then x3 of t, that is nothing but d square y of t by dt square, then x4 of t. Since this is a fourth order differential equation, we got to choose 4 number of state variable. So output and n minus 1 derivative of state variable can be chosen, that is d3 y of t by dt 3. So this is the first step. We got to choose a state variable. Obtain a first order differential equation of state variable, that is x1 dot, x2 dot, x3 dot and x4 dot. So what is your x1 dot? x1 is nothing but x1 dot of t. You already know x1 of t is equal to d y of t. So their derivative is nothing but d y of t by dt. So which we already chosen as variable x2 of t. So similarly x2 dot of t. So x2 is nothing but dy by dt. So x2 dot is nothing but d squared y of t by dt square. So which already chosen as a state variable x3 of t. So similarly x3 dot of t, first order differentiation of your x3. So the x3 is nothing but d squared y of t by dt square. Their derivative is nothing but d3 y of t by dt cube. We already chosen as a state variable x4 of t. So similarly next we got to choose x4 dot of t. So x4 of t is nothing but d3 y of t by dt cube, and their derivative is nothing but fourth derivative of y of t. So how we are going to obtain this fourth order derivative of y of t? That is obtained from the given differential equation. So that is nothing but, so from this equation we can write, so all other term has to be shifted to right hand side. So your x4 dot of t, that is nothing but d4 y of t by dt4, that is nothing but, this is given differential equation. So 20 x of t, then we got to choose an minus 7 into y of t minus 4 into dy by dt minus 6 into d square y of t by dt square minus 5 into minus d3 y of t by dt cube. Okay, so next we go to return the above equation in terms of state, because first order differential equation of state variable has to be written as a linear combination of state variable and input variable. We know well minus 7 y of t we already chosen as x1 of t, dy of dt can be chosen as a x2 of t, so 4 into x2 of t minus 6 into d square of dt can be chosen as x3 of t. Then third derivative is already chosen as a state variable x4 of t plus 20 into x of t. Okay, so it can be written in terms of u of t also, because this is the input we have chosen as a u as a variable, so 20 into u of t. So these four equations x1 dot t, x2 of t, x3 dot of t and x4 dot of t can be written in a matrix form. x1 dot, x2 dot, x3 dot, x4 dot, that is equal to state vector x1, x2, x3, x4 plus u. So x1 dot, we know what we have seen, x1 dot is equal to x2, so only that term alone non-zero, x2 term alone, so 0, 1, 0, 0 and corresponding input coefficient also 0. So similarly x2 dot is equal to x3, so 0 into x1, 0 into x2, 1 into x3, 0 into x4 plus 0 into u. Similarly x3 dot is equal to x4 we have got, so 0 into x1, c plus 0 into x2 plus 0 into x3 plus 1 into x4 and 0 into xu. And x4 dot, what we have here, so minus 7 into x1, minus 4 into x2, minus 6 into x3, minus 5 into x4 and 20 into u. This equation we call it as a state equation. So similarly next we go to develop the output equation. So here y is equal to y, which has been chosen as a state variable x1. So next we go to return a matrix form, y is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0 into x1, x2, x3, x4. Okay, so this is the output equation. So this is the way we go to develop the state model representation for the system which has been represented by the differential equation. Thank you.